It's about refining a vision. It really is. You got to find that vision. You got to stick to it, and you got to stick to it over time. This product has been on a vision just like that. And if you want to redefine categories, like if you want to step in, and I talk about the team all the time, if you want to change the world, you got to make bold bets.
Now the Surface Duo, we can't show you it turned on until September 10th. It's a very weird review time frame.
So in 2022, Microsoft tried to sell a product in the Surface Duo with a bunch of promises, and it sounded good, but we have an issue. You could talk the talk, but can you walk the walk? And I got a message about a product. Don't believe the hype, believe the history. Let me explain. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So we are now in 2022, and I have the Microsoft Surface Duo, the first generation, and it's stuck on Android 10, and there's no hope and support. Now that's a problem. Let me talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
And this product has so many things, but it's quite simple. The product was built as the Microsoft you love, like the Microsoft you love and the Android you know.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So as I watched the Microsoft keynote address back in 2020, and I rewatched it over and over and over, I was convinced that Microsoft would get it right. But as I say, buy something based off of history, not hype. Remember once upon a time, Microsoft had a whole ecosystem. It was called Windows Phone Mobile. It was very promising ecosystem, very promising operating system, but they had some issues. It was no clear plan and no support. And you know how that turned out. Windows Phone Mobile is no longer here. So I was one of the reviewers that was not believing in all this hype about the Surface Duo. And you know why? It's because of Microsoft history. Next, something strange happened. Tech reviewers received the review units of the Microsoft Surface Duo. It was told that they could unbox the product, but they cannot turn it on. Now, that was a major red flag for a product that was going to cost $1,400 with no third-party reviewers that cannot talk about the software experience. I mean, look, when you look at the keynote address, everything looked great. I mean, going through the OS, everything looked smooth, and I mean, everything worked great and stuff like that. So I wanted to see the same performance, the same experience that I seen on stage to third-party reviewers, but we didn't get that. Well, you can only hold a pipe dream for so long. Look, people started pre-ordering this thing. People have paid $1,400+ for this thing based off of the experience that they saw at the keynote address, based off of what people say how beautiful the hardware was. Well, guess what happened? When they was able to turn on the device, the software was a mess and people was instantly disappointed. And some people say that this was the worst software experience that they ever had. Okay, so how could the largest company on the planet failed to deliver software? Microsoft committed to 3 years of operating system updates and security patches on the original Microsoft Surface Duo, the original Microsoft Surface Duo. Now, Microsoft Surface Duo came out with Android 10 back in 2020. As of me recording this video in 2022, I'm still stuck on Android 10 with September security patch. Now, that's just bad all the way around, right? I mean, as of right now, the Surface Duo is a complete fail, right? I mean, it's a complete fail, but brings up the Surface Duo 2. And once again, never buy a product based off of hype, only on history. You know, there's a lot of people out there that try to defend Microsoft, say that, well, you know what, Easy? The very first Duo was supposed to run Windows, but at the last minute, Microsoft couldn't make it happen. So they changed their mind and put Android on it instead of Windows. And here's my response to that. if Microsoft was going to put Windows on the Surface Duo, delay the release and get it right. Do not release a product that's not ready for prime time and want to charge $1,400 for it. Look, charging $1,400 for a premium unfinished product, it destroys the trust of the public. Now, all eyes is on the Surface Duo 2. Will Microsoft support this product? And my answer to that question is probably not. I mean, look at the history. The history is the truth. If you follow the history, then you already know what's going to happen. It's nothing. All you got to do is look at the past. The past is the truth, not what they say. Look at the history. Look, we have to hold companies like Microsoft accountable for charging premium prices and not delivering on promises. How could you say the Microsoft Surface Duo will get updates every month after month after month, and they fail to do that? How could you say the Microsoft Surface Duo would get 3 major software updates, but as of right now, the Surface Duo is on Android 10? Now, even if it get on Android 11, how long would it take for Android 12? 2 years, 3 years? That is a failure on Microsoft's part, right? How could you charge $1,400, $1,600 for a product and you don't want to support it, and you want us to support you?
We stay committed to that point of view. It's something I'm very proud of. There's a team at Microsoft across all of Microsoft 365 that stays committed to that point of view. It's about refining a vision. It really is. You got to find that vision. You got to stick to it, and you got to stick to it over time. This product has been on a vision just like that.
We have to hold these companies accountable. We just can't just buy their product and think that they're going to support the product. We demand support. We demand that Microsoft and these companies that come out with these high premium products support their devices. And you know what? On this YouTube channel, baby, we're going to hold them accountable. We're going to hold them accountable. You best believe that. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the failure of the Microsoft Surface Duo and all. It is not glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.